Hello and thank you for joining us as we take a look at the Ocelot Mars-B ATV and UTV tire. If you are ready to take on the toughest trails with confidence, then this tire is exactly what you need. Built for superior traction, durability, and a smoother ride no matter how extreme the conditions, the Mars-B continues to find footing and excel wherever it goes. The distinctive and stout directional tread pattern ensures predictable handling and performance. Cutaways in the tops of the lugs not only provide extra biting edges, but also reduce weight for quicker acceleration and braking. Wide spacing between tread claws and side knobs promotes self-cleaning, which means mud, rocks, and debris won't get lodged between the lugs, keeping your tires clear for continuous traction. When it comes to durability, the 6-ply rated construction ensures heavy-duty puncture and damage resistance while remaining lightweight, making this tire ideal for tackling any off-road adventure. The highlight of the Mars-B tire is the claw-like main tread. Depending on tire size, the tire has a tread depth of either 16 mm or 20 mm. These lugs have been designed to be extra robust so they will maintain shape when in tough digging situations and resist damage for extended longevity. The crossover center pattern of the tread helps deliver a smoother and quieter ride, making it perfect for both rocky and hard-packed terrain. Over on the shoulders of the tire, the independent tread blocks aid with cornering and providing enhanced stability for high-speed handling. There is also the benefit of extra side bite when riding in ruts or crawling through soft terrain. Offered in multiple sizes, the Ocelot Mars-B is the perfect OEM replacement or upgrade for riders looking to outfit their ATV or UTV with tires that will deliver long-lasting, high-performance traction. When you're heading into mud, rocks, or slippery terrain, you need a tire that bites and pulls your vehicle through. And with the Ocelot Mars-B, you'll get exactly that. The tire features deep, aggressive lugs designed to claw through the rough stuff, ensuring maximum grip and control. Thank you for watching and ride safe.